Hello everyone. If your Hue bridge is not connecting to Apple Home, then this video is going to show you the exact fixes that are working in 2026 to get it connected properly. Now, connection will fail if both the devices are on the different networks. So you need to check your iPhone's Wi-Fi and make sure that it is connected to your home network. Also, you need to ensure that your Hue bridge is connected to the router using an Ethernet cable. Avoid guest networks or mobile hotspot during the setup. Now, you must use the HomeKit code in order to basically connect it. For that, you just have to simply open your Apple Home application. Afterwards, tap on the plus icon on the top right hand corner. As soon as you do this, you will see this type of pop-up in front of you, where click on the option of add necessary. When you select it, simply scan the HomeKit code printed on the back of the Hue bridge or its box. If scanning doesn't work, you can tap on the option of the enter code manually and then you can type it. Now, sometimes you will need to allow access from the Hue application. For that, you need to simply open your Philips Hue application on your phone. Here, simply go to the settings. In the settings, you just have to look for the option of Smart Home among all the given options over here. Then look for the option of Siri and Apple Home. Now, this allows your Hue bridge to sync properly with Apple Home. The temporary network issues can also block the connection. So you can unplug your router and Hue bridge, wait for about 1 minute, and then you just have to turn it on. Now, once the internet is stable, you can plug in the Hue bridge and wait for all three lights to turn solid. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.